Welcome back to the channel, man. Crypto Tro. I am Crypto Tro, bringing you the latest and the greatest in cryptocurrencies. And today we're going to talk about VVS and this new major update that they just put out that I believe will be very bullish moving forward in the future, especially for the project on the Cronos blockchain. Now, this is the #1 DEX or decentralized exchange on Cronos. And I do believe it will increase in liquidity when we hit the bull market again. And all of these new features will be very big if they continue to update each and every chance they get. So we're going to talk about that and the price. Look at the price, look at the market cap. But before we do, make sure you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. And we're going to get straight into it today. So let's look at it. VVS Finance, what is the price currently today? So right now I am on coin market cap, and we can see VVS has been down a little bit today. We are down less than 1% on a day, so not too bad, but not too good either. I'm not gonna lie to you right now, it's not looking very good for decentralized exchanges across the board. Not just VVS though. We can look even on the bigger blockchains and see that, the prices of decentralized exchanges have gone down tremendously since the bear market, or since the last bull market rather. And we know that forming those tokens, people usually sell fast, especially in the bear market, because they want to get more liquidity. They want to either transfer back to the original token of the blockchain or something else that they believe will appreciate faster. Now we can see the market cap is at $78 million, ranked 263. Volume is down 8% or up to 9%, coming in at $212,000. So love to see that market cap is still almost touching that 100 million. I do believe it will easily hit 100 million in the bull market. I think way past 100 million if we just being real. But they do have to do a lot of things to get back up to there, because the APRs of these different types of liquidity pools have gone down tremendously, and we know people love to ape into those pools when APRs are super high. So that's something we got to look forward to in the future. We don't truly know if they will put more cryptocurrencies on there for higher APRs. They usually do a good job of updating the current cryptos they have on there, so we can look forward to maybe getting more cryptos on VVS, but it is already a lot of them, so it's always good to see it's different types of cryptos you can choose from and start building that bag strictly through VVS. Now, market cap is at $1.07 trillion, and that's almost at or up 1% in the total crypto market. So love to see the crypto market going up like that. The fear and greed index is at 38 out of 100. So a lot of people are starting to come out of that fearful phase, man, but it's going to take some time. We still are in the bear market no matter what anybody is saying, but it is some good things that's happening in the crypto space. As far as we seeing, the ETFs are very close to getting passed. A lot of more big liquidity companies are really trying to get those ETFs and filing for those ETFs as far as Bitcoin ETFs. And that's going to be very major, because I believe that's going to flood so much liquidity into the cryptocurrency market. And once people, start off with Bitcoin, they're going to go into the other altcoins, and it's just going to be a trickle down effect. Now we see right here to the right, VVS, they say, I am really curious to see how far this decline will go. I am thinking the same thing, man. I want to know how far VVS will go, because it is down a lot. It is down if we go to, the all-time highs. And if we go back to 2021, it has dropped tremendously. Like, it's been on a decline since then. And that was kind of when the bull market was just ending. So we got to be patient with this. We got to just see our way through it, and hopefully we can see a bounce in price on the upward side. Now, this is a new introduction. VVS just welcome to the flawless liquidity. So, but what sets it apart? Let's break it down in simple terms. So, in V2, imagine miners, liquidity providers, scattering efforts across a vast mountain range, digging everywhere in the hopes of finding gold. While they might find gold, a lot of energy is wasted digging in less fruitful areas. Now, picture flawless liquidity. V3 is almost like giving miners a magical map. This map shows where the gold vines or trading volumes are densely packed. So miners can now concentrate their efforts in these golden areas This saves energy and increases gold haul significantly. So for instance, in USDT mining site, most of the gold is found in pockets between 99 cents and $1.01. So earlier, only a tiny fraction of miners' efforts were channeled into this gold rich zone. But with V3, miners can focus their energies to reap more gold more efficiently. So this is possibly because flawless liquidity creates individual tunnels for each miner. These tunnels guide them to the heart of gold veins without draining resources. This is unlike before when separate channels could lead to higher costs and effort. So what is the golden part? The golden part, miners are rewarded with nuggets trading fees. These rewards are proportionate to the amount of gold they dig up in their chosen range. This ensures a bountiful and fruitful mining adventure. Gear up for the great gold rush and flawless liquidity, man. So this is going to be big because this is going to show you, which trading pairs are the biggest and which ones you can get the most trading fees from. And that's really how you're going to make your money with these liquidity pools, because the APRs are down tremendously. I believe that specific pool that they mentioned was like 5%, 6%, which is decent for a stable coin pool, USDT and USDC. That is a stable coin pool, so that is pretty decent. But you're gonna get a lot of those rewards or your money from the trading fees from people actually trading those pairs. So that's gonna be something we gotta look forward to. Let's look at the VVS site real quick and just see what these pairs are looking like right now. So we scroll down, we can see we got some, decent APRs. These aren't the Deaconish APRs. These are, very stable APRs, and you can even get more if you use XVVS and NFT staking to boost it. So you can actually, if you participate in the, and use the protocol, then you can actually get a higher APR on some of these, really all of these, majority of these. And we can still see Crow and VVS is at 20%, and if you stake the XVVS and NFTs, you get 60%. So that's always good. But let's just scroll down and we can see, the Cronos ecosystem NFT boost. If you wanted to use those NFTs and pretty much earn a higher APRs, that is something you can also do as well. So it's a lot of things that you can really do. These are the boost forms, but they do have the classic forms as well. And we can see the USDC, USDT, that is at 3%. I said 5 to 6%, but it's at 3%. And that's still not too bad though. That's still, you get 3% on your money just by using or holding the stable coins. Then that's pretty decent if you account for, if you're holding $1. They even banks don't give you that specific APR, so that's decent if you want to get into those stable coin pools. And then we got all of these different pairs now. Like I said, the APRs are tremendously down since VVS first started, but I believe these are more stable APRs, such as we don't have to instantly get out of them because people are going to be, farming them like crazy and taking their liquidity out. Well, with more stable APRs, this just helps more liquidity come into it and more liquidity stay into it because they're serious, especially if we see how low the APRs are currently. So that's my video. Just want to give you an update on everything that's happening in VVS. Make sure you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Check out the VVS Finance playlist. It's a lot of videos on there, man, that's talking about going into depth on VVS and why I believe VVS is still going to be the #1 DEX on the Cronos blockchain for a long time to come. Now, they do have to do some things that attracts more people. I believe they have to, make more utility for VVS. I love to see the XVVS, but I want to see more with the minor modes. I do want to see more with the minor modes NFT game. Maybe they should continue developing it out. I do believe they're doing that behind the scenes, so we only can tell within time as time goes on. So Crypto Tro, that's my video. I'm out of here.